pretty much any plant that we are growing, whether it is an annual plant or perennial, herbaceous or woody, we have some sort of rust fungus that can cause disease on that plant. And now I've often talked about how pathologists aren't very great namers. The way that we define a rust fungus is basically a fungus that causes rust-colored or orange to brown lesions on the leaf, and typically there may even be some raised pustules on the top or underside of the leaf. Now, rust fungi have a very, very complicated life cycle, including up to 5 different spore types. And some of these spore types can only survive on one host, while the other types need a second or an alternate host in order to cause infection. And so with one of our most common rust fungi, cedar apple rust, the main host of concern is going to be our pears, our crabapples, while the alternate host is going to be our junipers. Now, in order to control our rust, we can try to remove that alternate host. That's not always possible, but often a fungicide, a broad spectrum fungicide, at the first sign of symptoms will be your best bet in controlling whatever rust fungi you have.